Hi, I'm Darnell Cox with Living Lifestyle, and today we are talking about cutting boards. So a lot of people, the favorite out there these days is plastic. There's so much plastic in the world, but these look like they're clean and they're really not. If you look closely at this, you'll see that there are tiny little cuts all through this. Just from like prepping your food, you're creating these little cuts, and people buy plastic thinking, oh, you can just stick it in the dishwasher, it's easier for cleanup. And it's actually not, because all of these little cuts are like breeding grounds for bacteria, and there's no amount of hot soapy water that can get all the way in there. So this is actually a very unsafe kind of material to use. In addition, when you're prepping your food and you're cutting on this, your vegetables or your fruit, and then you're scraping it into your bowl, whatever you've divoted out with with your knife and all these little grooves, if there's any material that comes up with that, you're then scooping it into your bowl and you're eating the plastic. I'm trying to do away with all of these and change to a much healthier material, which is wood. Even if you cut on it and it makes these marks and you scoop some out into your food, like microscopic little bits, your body can digest this. This is not harmful to you. So we want to get away from all the plastic and get back to the natural wood boards. One of my favorites is this big giant board by Tyler Florence. I got this at Williams-Sonoma. And the reason why I love this is because it's flat on one surface, so you can really use this to, it's got a big surface to prep food on. And then the reverse is concaved, so you can actually serve a salad on this board, which I love. That is one of my favorites. So the rest of the boards that I have are made out of bamboo. I love these. They're great boards to have. Some of them have like little grooves in them so you can cut meat. And people always think this is an unclean surface, and that's just not true. The way that you would clean this is with a brush and some hot soapy water, stand it upright to dry. Do not put this in the dishwasher. You shouldn't have water standing on this. And if it gets too many like little cuts all through it, you just take a little sandpaper and you sand it off. So these will last you forever, and they're so much, not only better for the environment, better for your body. Don't sabotage your health while you're prepping your food, and that is a really good way to live young.